Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdome Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to improve your lockpicking. The most basic thing you can do to improve lockpicking is simply finding chests or doors you can lockpick. Take a look at your player menu, skills and lockpicking. Right here you've got your current level and progress. While upgrading your lockpicking skills, you can buy perks. Also, you can find trainer like Miller Peszek, select training, lockpicking, and here you can learn beginner lockpicking, slightly advanced, advanced and master. Make sure that you've got money because these trainings cost you. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.